Very nice. 1977 Chevy C10 short bed. Nicely done. Pro Tour Resto-Mod. We're going to cruise around and tell you about it like we usually do. It's finished in a lithium gray. A lot of mild custom modifications to the body. Subtle is what I would call them. We'll cover those as we go around here. Always getting thumbs up when I'm at the park. Out back, it's a full body off restoration. A lot of nice items underneath. Pro Tour style QA-1 suspension system out back. It has their torque link style. Has a 12-bolt true track posi with 342 ratio. Has 4-wheel disc brakes on it. CPP. Exhaust exits out the side here. Has light vinyl graphics on it. Stake pockets have been removed. Gutters have been shaved. Again, just subtle items on it. Fit and finish is just beautiful professional quality. Has some surprises underneath the hood. The chassis has all been powder coated. Up front, it has the QA-1 suspension. We'll get into more specs at Spuds Garage when we go there. It's a full cross member system with rack and pinion power steering, tubular control arms, adjustable coilovers on all 4 corners. Ellipsoid beam headlights up front here. Gloss black surround on the grille. Gloss black bumper, powder coated. Underneath the hood's the fun part. 650 horse, 650 foot-pounds of torque, LT-4, GM performance engine, supercharged. Has a 4L75E automatic overdrive transmission. So really nice, powerful combination. We'll get some test drive in here for you. Beautiful in its presentation. It has Weld Racing wheels. We'll get the model and style at Spuds Garage, and you get a look how fresh this restoration is. Has less than 1,000 miles on it. Picking up a little bit of the color there with the sunlight. Has dual sport mirrors on it. All the hardware's been finished in a black powder coat. Inside, beautiful. A lot of nice upgrades. Everything you would expect. We'll get you underneath the hood and share the engine with you here in just a minute. Nice little carbon fiber billet panel here. Carbon fiber touches. Beautiful interior, complements the truck. You'll see it picked up the red highlights here. Retractable seat belts. Power windows. I was able to spend some time driving it, and it drives exceptionally well down to the park here. Has 20-inch Pirelli tires, front and rear. We'll get into the specs at Spuds Garage. We mentioned the stake pockets have all been removed, rain gutters shaved. All the trim and badging's been reshaved. Out back, they've removed the tailgate handle. It's located inside. The bed is finished the same quality as the rest of the paint on the truck. It's one of those trucks that makes you go, wow. Square bodies are hot. This is a beautiful truck, nicely done. Recessed license plate on a custom roll pan out back that's one-pieced into the body here. Give you a peek. QA, coilover suspension in the rear. Wait till you hear it run here in just a minute. I'm sure I missed some items. The cowl induction hood up front, that was pretty obvious. Fuel fill is hidden behind the taillight lens here. These are LED. Exceptional, meticulous restoration. Suede leather inserts on the doors and in the center seat panel. Again, the power windows. The dash itself is an odometer digital gauge set that's just beautiful. We'll fire that up here for you. Tilt steering column, 4L75E automatic overdrive. Of course, the LT-4 we just talked about. Vintage air conditioning. Power steering, and this is a carbon fiber style. See the odometer gauge insignia there. We'll get you underneath the hood here in just a minute. We'll let you hear it run. Corvette LT-4 supercharged 6.2 liter V8 4L75E automatic overdrive transmission. It is a complete GM performance crate engine combination, professionally installed. Out back is a 12 bolt 342 ratio true track rear differential. You'll catch the high quality restoration. The firewall's finished just the same as the rest of the truck. Has vintage air and heat. There's the controls there, or the where the lines go into the firewall. Custom short tube headers. You'll see the O2 sensors down there. Has a aluminum radiator with dual electric cooling fans on it. Give you a nice little peek here. The QA-1 front suspension brings the cross member up a lot, gives you a lot more ground clearance. Has engine mounts attached to the cross member. Very nice tubular control arms. Here's the GM Performance Build Center badge on it. Serpentine belt drive system. Superchargers right there, the belt drive. Vintage air conditioning. All blacked out accessories. Has 4-wheel disc brakes, CPP, power. As we mentioned, power rack and pinion steering. There's the power steering reservoir right there. Windshield wiper motor. Powder coated chassis frame. Okay, we'll fire it up here for you. It has an on-off here that turns the battery on and off. We have it on right now. Fire it up and take you for a little drive here. Put the windows up. Lots of ponies. Respect. outside and cover the tire sizes and stuff for you and kind of give you a look from the different perspective, eye level perspective. Out back it has Pirelli P-Zero tires on it. Date codes are 2023 all the way around. 325/35 R20s out back. You'll see the wheel wells finished body color. Everything's tucked up nice and high, ground clearance wise. The LT-4 badge on the fender, that is vinyl. 245/45 ZR20s up front. These are also Pirelli P-Zeros. Date codes 2023. Powder coated front bumper. Catch a look at the QA-1 front suspension there. A little bit of glare from the shop door open. Weld Racing wheels. We'll get the name and model of those in our text at Spuds Garage. You'll see the frame has been all powder coated. Batteries mounted down low here. Odyssey, 12 volt. Has a remote turn off for the battery switch. Covered early in the video. Carrying on, custom fuel tank, remounted, relocated to the rear of the truck. See the body color on the bed. Fuel fill goes up behind the LED left rear taillight. Has QA-1 suspension throughout here. We'll cover the back here. It has a torque link style rear suspension with adjustable coilovers, CPP, drilled slotted rotors, disc brakes, bottom side of the bed, finished like the top of the truck. QA-1 incorporates on this one a 12-bolt true track rear differential housing, 342 ratio, so posi. Exhaust, custom exhaust exits forward of the rear wheels. Kind of give you a better look at the torque arm design there. Basically a 3-point. See the bottom side of the cab itself has been done with rhino lining. So it's a hard rubberized coated surface. Beautiful exhaust on it, stainless. This is a 4L75E automatic overdrive transmission. You'll see the powder coated frame, body off restoration, bottom side of the LT-4, CPP, front disc brakes, they are power, all 4 corners, and adjustable coilovers, all 4 corners, tubular control arms. This is the complete front end kit that gives you a whole new cross member, comes with the engine mount pads, gives you a lot more ground clearance, brings it up high. Inner aprons there, power rack and pinion steering, drilled slotted rotors up front also. Thanks for listening to me. Have a great day.